How's the market, Dom? Hello and welcome to week 2 of How's the Market, Dom? An independent, open, honest and transparent overview of the immediate local Solihull property market that we cover here at DM & Co. This involves statistics and data from all agents that operate within this area and use Rightmove. So what has week 2 looked like across the Solihull property market? 57 new instructions versus 36 last week. That's up 58%. Last year, there was only 63, an increase of 6 properties coming to market. So pretty much in line with where we were last, or where the market was this time last year. 19 sales agreed last week, 43 this week. That's up 126%. And interestingly, identical to the same period of last year. 33 price reductions last week, 40 price reductions this week. That's up 21%, and I expect this to continue across the month of January as the back end of last year's market catches up with the reality of where the market sits today. It has never ever been more important to price your property correctly in and amongst the stock and listings that are out there at the moment. What have we seen at DM & Co? And I will then move on to the demand of what our clients and buyers would like and tenants would like to see at DM & Co. I do start with lettings. We've registered 63 new tenants in and across Solihull. They want family homes in Shirley, Hillfield, Knowle and Dorridge, budgets ranging from £1,500 up to £3,500. In the Solihull and Dorridge sales side of the business, we've registered 44 new buyers. And these range from first-time buyers all the way up to downsizers and pretty much everything in between, with budgets between £250,000 and £950,000. On the premium side of the business, we've seen a flurry of sales agreed at the £1 to £1.5 million price point. One of these on Bruton Avenue before it even hit the open market. Demand on this side of the business is for family homes in excellent locations, which I'll come on to in a minute or two's time. Across the business this week, we've been out to 46 valuations. We've got 14 properties coming to market with 9 sales agreed. I expect the sales agreed metric to catch up as viewings and offers take a few more days to filter through. This weekend, we have 42 viewings taking place across 18 properties. And moving on to now the demand from, what our offices are hearing from people out there viewing and whatnot. Demand for the Solihull office is for 3-bed semis, 4 and 5 bedroom family homes, and with budgets between 3-bed semis, sort of 350 to 500, 3 4-bed semis, 350 to 500, 4 and 5 bedroom family homes from 600 to 900,000. And in particular, bungalows. Bungalows pretty much at any price point from 450 through to £1 million. The buyers in Knowle and Dorridge are looking for 3 and 4 bedroom homes at 650 to 850, that price point. Flats and maisonettes remain incredibly popular, and that at the sort of 250 to 350 price point. With regards to the premium side of the business, those wanting to spend £1 million or more want to spend it in extremely convenient locations. Central Solihull, walking distance to the town centre. Similarly, in Dorridge, these have to be within touching distance of Dorridge train station. And of course, the centre of Dorridge there. Budget slightly higher at Dorridge, 1.5 to 2 million. The final part of this video is a weekly roundup, and this is over to you, really. This is where I answer questions that you have posed over the last week. This week, a chap, Sam, caught me on Instagram, and we had a great back and forth on the market and how we both felt things were going. One question that I would like to answer, because I think it's one that comes, well, I know it's one that comes up quite a lot, is here. So Sam said, is our area unique in regards to property and rental prices, or is this happening all over the country? Well, we are, and I do keep saying this, we are incredibly fortunate to operate in the area that we work and live in. The superb suburb of the second city. We have excellent schooling, transport links. We've got the airport, HS2, plenty of green space. So we do live somewhat in a bubble, but my opinion on that bubble is it is incredibly well protected. Take the financial crisis of 2008, 2009. There was no price crash in the Solihull property market, but there was a reduction of activity and there was reduced sales volumes. There will always be the need to sell, people moving in and out of the area. But so long as the demand outstrips the supply, we know that always puts upward pressure on prices. That really came to light over the last couple of years. Things have cooled down. I do expect we are in a period of stability at the minute, and we have real serious buyers and sellers, which is actually quite a nice, exciting market to be involved in. So yes, we are incredibly lucky and fortunate. Are we like everywhere else in the country? No, we're not. There are pockets of markets like this across the country, but we are blessed to be in a position where we are fortunate enough to live, operate and work in the area that we all do. Please don't forget that if you would like to see more of these updates, to like, follow and subscribe on the relevant platforms that you're watching it on. My weekly sneak peeks will continue. They are launched every Monday. And I wish you all well. Please do get in touch if you'd like any further detail on anything that I've discussed, or indeed if you'd just like to have a chat about property in general. All the best. Take care.